Welcome back to MAK Car Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, from luxury beasts to high-performance machines. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and powerful luxury SUVs on the planet, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63. Known for its boxy design and aggressive presence, the G-Wagon has always stood out, but Mercedes-Benz has taken things even further with this latest version. At first glance, the design looks familiar. Sharp lines, bold edges, and that unmistakable upright stance. But look closer, and you'll spot some subtle upgrades. The 2026 G63 features a refreshed front grille with active shutters, slimmer LED headlamps, and improved aerodynamics. Even though it sticks to its rugged DNA, it's more refined than ever. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels and AMG-specific badging give it that aggressive yet luxurious look AMG fans crave. Under the hood, the 2026 G63 still packs a punch with a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. But this time, there's a twist. Mercedes has integrated a mild hybrid system to boost efficiency and torque, making this beast not only powerful, but smarter. The engine now delivers around 600 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, pushing the G63 from 0 to 60 mph in just about 4.2 seconds. That's seriously quick for an SUV that weighs over 2.5 tons. Paired with a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and a revised 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the driving dynamics have been fine-tuned for both on-road agility and off-road dominance. Whether you're cruising through city streets or climbing rough terrain, the G63 handles it with ease. Step inside, and the luxury just wraps around you. The 2026 model features the latest MBX infotainment system with twin 12.3-inch displays that are more responsive and customizable. Premium materials like Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum are everywhere. You've got heated and ventilated massage seats, an upgraded Burmester 3D surround sound system, and even ambient lighting with over 64 color options. Mercedes has thought of everything to make this feel like a 5-star suite on wheels. Safety and tech features include adaptive cruise control, active lane assist, a 360-degree camera system, and the latest version of Mercedes's driver assistance package. It's not just powerful and luxurious, it's smart, too. So, who is the 2026 AMG G63 for? It's for those who want timeless design, raw performance, and unmatched presence. It's a statement vehicle, no doubt about it. Whether you're buying it for the badge, the capability, or the sheer road dominance, the G63 delivers. That's it for today's review on MAK Car Reviews. Let us know what you think about the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 in the comments below. Would you take this over a Range Rover or a Lamborghini Urus? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.